Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all. Alright, so check it out, y'all. That is a dinner plate, and that is a filet loin that I'm gonna smoke. Okay, everybody, what we got here is I have just an entire, basically this is a filet mignon. This is an entire loin. This is a dinner plate. We're gonna put it in the smoker for about 45 to 50 minutes, and then we're gonna sear it shut. May not take that long to actually cook, but portions of this, because my wife likes done meat, and it's gonna be real tender. It's gonna be real done. So let's check back on that in 45 minutes or so. Okay, so we got a wine reduction, a little bit of soy sauce, some hickory sea salt, and some garlic in here. I'm gonna reduce this down and pair it with the filet. Yum! Okay, so I'm gonna take this hot pan and grab the meat right out of the smoker and start searing this bad boy right away. See you inside. Alright, so here we are just searing this guy shut. Took it right out of the smoker direct. As soon as it's seared shut, I will let it sit for a few minutes and kind of let the juices keep in the meat. But again, searing this guy about 2 minutes per side, we're calling it done. See you in a minute. It's important to sear even the sides just for a quick minute. Again, you want to feel this flavor right into the meat.